On this channel, I'm going to take us to phonics for beginners. You know, we have 26 letters in English alphabets. 26 letters in English alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's the English alphabet. The 26 English alphabet, 26. Inside that 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowel sounds. 5 vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. 5 English vowel sounds. And inside that 26, you remove these 5, A, E, I, O, U. You have 21 left. That 21 all are consonants. The 21 are all consonants. So we have 5 vowel sounds and 21 vowel sounds. I'm going to treat on English sounds, phonics. English sounds. In this English sounds that is called phonics, this letter, let me know, I don't know, let me put it well so that you, I don't know how it's showing to you, but I think this letter is called A. 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 While this letter is called B. 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 We have also this letter that is called K. 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 We also have this letter that is called D. 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 We also have this letter that is called E. 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 We also have this letter that is called We also have this letter that is called G. 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 We also have this letter that sounds. We also have this letter sound that goes like this. A. 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 We also have this letter sounds that goes like this. Jaw. 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 We also have this letter sounds that goes like this. K. 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 We also have this letter sounds that goes like this. Oh. 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 We also have this letter sounds that goes like this. We also have this letter sounds that goes like this. We also have this letter sounds that goes like this. We also have this letter sound that goes like this. We also have this letter sounds that goes like this. We also have this little sound that goes like this. Rrr, rrr, rrr. We also have this little sound that goes like this. S, s, s. We also have this little sound that goes like this. Tss, tss, tss. We also have these little sounds that goes like this. Ah, ah, ah. We also have these little sounds that goes like this. We also have this little sound that goes like this. We also have these little sounds that goes like this. Kss, kss, kss. We also have this little sound that goes like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We also have this little sounds that goes like this. Zzz, zzz, zzz. So in order to help the students to understand it quicker and well, is the whole small letters of the English alphabet sounds are all letter sounds. They have their own sounds. They help to sound the words. And the big letters, like big letters, alphabets, big letters alphabets like this, they are just English alphabets. They stand like that. But the small ones, in order to understand it better, the small ones goes for sounds, letter sounds, while the big letters goes for alphabet sounds. In that way, it will help the pupils, it will help the students, it will help the beginners, the learners of sounds to understand when they differentiate the big letters from the small letter. The big letter stands for English alphabet, while the small letter stands for English sounds, phonic sounds like ah, ant, ah, ant. Can you see it? But you can't say like this. We want to use these big letters A, ant. You can't say ant. There is nothing like ant. But you can use this small letter A, ant. So we are using small letters, small English alphabets, small letter upper, lower case to make the sounds. We are going to use it in this my channel for sounding, phonics, letter sounds. That's why we are using this as letter sounds. A, ant. A, ant. B, bag. B, bag. K, cat. K, cat. D, dog. D, dog. E, egg. E, egg. F, fish. F, fish. G, goat. G, goat. Hen. Hen. A, ink. A, ink. J, jug. J, jug. K, kettle. K, kettle. L, leg. L, leg. Man. 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 Neck. Neck. on, on. Pack, pack. Queen, queen. Run, run. Snake, snake. Tick, tick. Umbrella, umbrella. Van, van. Wedge, wedge. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Xylophone. Yo, you. Z, 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 zen, z, z, zip, z, z, z. So by tomorrow, I'm going to use this lower upper cases to make 2 or 3 letter sounds. We use it to make 2 or 3 letter sounds. For example, ant, apple, ant, apple. So from tomorrow we are going to use it to call out letter sounds of different objects or fruits. After it, we'll go further. There are more fun to this. So go ahead, go through my video and learn. Thank you. Have a nice day.